Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy metal work, new and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and attractive, useful metal work designs and ideas, stylish metal projects, beautiful home decor ideas, stylish office decor ideas, beautiful metal working ideas you can see in this my video. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Those who love such type of metal work. If you want to buy these very beautiful stylish projects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorating your room, your lounge with beautiful and attractive stylish metal working with beautiful woodworking designs and ideas also. You can visit my channel and see more collection about metalworking and woodworking. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives a feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.